I notice the dissociation constant values aren't shown in your question. However, I can explain the general principle, ***, to identify the strongest acid, look for the largest Ka value, ***. The dissociation constant Ka quantifies acid strength, Ka equals H to the power plus, A to the power over, A larger Ka means the equilibrium favors ionization, producing more H to the power plus ions, making the acid stronger. Step-by-step reasoning, ***1. Compare Ka values of all given acids to the acid with the highest Ka dissociates most completely in water 3. Greater dissociation equals greater concentration of H to the power plus ions equals stronger acid example if option A has Ka equals 1.8 times 10 to the power minus 4 while others have smaller values like Ka equals 1.3 times 10 to the power minus 5, then A is strongest. To verify your answer, share the Ka values given in the options, and I can confirm which one corresponds to the strongest acid. The answer is A.